Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are Kids TV. Now I explained all about the sprites, backgrounds and motion blocks in my last video. Today we're going to do the looks category. Last time I also said I'm going to do customs in the looks. So we'll do that too. Now we have say hello for 2 seconds. This will make this sprite say hello for 2 seconds. And say hello will make the sprite do it forever. And think for 2 seconds will make it think for 2 seconds. Now switch custom to cat B is there. So it will switch it to cat B that when it runs. Now we also have this customs here. So it's in cat B and now it's in cat A, B, A, B, A and B. You get it. And we also have the next custom. So it will just switch to the customs. Now you can make it look like it's running. Now we also have switch to forest 2. The reason why it says, switch backdrop to forest 2. The reason why it says forest 2 is because I put that backdrop on already. So if I click this, it will switch to that. And next backdrop is white, and then it's the forest too. We also have this. We can also do something else. If I grab castle too, and then forest, and then galaxy, and then light, then it's going to switch to all these backdrops. Next we have change size by 10. It will change the size by 10. Here you can see it's now 110. Set size to 100 will set the size to that. The maximum you can go to is 540 is the size max. So change color effect by 25 is there. So you can change the color of this cat. Now there's also this set color to 0. This cat is in its normal color. So that's the 0 color. Now clear graphic effects. This is called a graphic effect. Now here we also have more graphic effects. Fish eyes, we can make it bigger. Whirl, we can make it spin. We have pixelate, that pixelates the cat. And we have this, that duplicates the cat. Not duplicate, makes it more. I'm just making crazy things right now. And brightness, it will change the brightness. And the ghost, it will change its ghostliness. Now if I click brightness, it won't do anything. Now if I just destroyed this cat. Now we also have clear graphic effects. I'll just clear all these effects I put on this cat. Now we also have show hide. Right now it's being shown, right? Now you can hide. Show hide. And then you also have go front layer, go forward 1 layer. So it won't do anything basically. it won't do anything basically. See, nothing. But we also have custom numbers, backdrop numbers, side. I'm going to do all these things tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to see my other video, my first episode of this Scratch, where I explain all the motion blocks, sprites, backgrounds. So, thank you for watching. See you in episode 3.